Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday. Woohoo! What a week. Last day of August. Finally moving past the summer and moving into September. We'll should see volumes pick up. This is traditionally what happens in September. Traders come back from their summer vacations and school starts pretty much for everywhere in the US and we're back to normal activities. So what do we got going on from forexfactory.com? Uh, Calendar 8:30 this morning. We have core PCE price index month over month. Big number, red event. One of the many inflation-based price indexes that the Fed looks at. So this is very important. Also have goods trades balance, personal income month over month, personal spending month over month, preliminary wholesale inventories month over month. Then at 9:45 we have Chicago PMI. At 10 a.m. we have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and revised University of Michigan inflation expectations. So there's what you've got. Now remember that Monday is Labor Day. So the markets are closed. There will be some extended trading, some off hours trading, Globex, I should say. But the main sessions in New York Stock Exchange will be closed. So I get a day off. So you get a day off. Woohoo! Gotta love market holidays. Okay, moving on. Looking at the daily chart, we went to closed at all-time highs yesterday on average volume. So, as we're making new highs in here, you can see that new highs over here, new highs over here, very low, below average volume. Maybe that'll change in September. Or maybe it's just that no one cares and there's just no enthusiasm. The question is, when will the buying enthusiasm shift gears and go into selling enthusiasm? I don't know if that will happen or when that will happen, but we are at all-time highs. Absolutely nothing to go on above here other than maybe a rogue Fibonacci extension number or guesstimate. On the downside, definitely the lows from yesterday, 64.67, are a possibility. This low volume node, 64.42, certainly within range. Based on the activity we have had recently. Are we in an uptrend? Yes, positively sloped. Trend line at all-time highs, above the moving averages. Only fly in the ointment, so to speak, is volume. We will have to just wait and see if that pans out at some point in time. It is screaming lack of participation. That being said, we're also starting to see lots and lots of articles about how the market is overvalued using PE ratios as well as other metrics to say the market's overvalued. It certainly looks like we are trying to top out. Each stab to the upside gets a little bit smaller. It does look toppy. It doesn't mean it can't go up higher, though. Doesn't mean that. Looking at the inventory on the 60-minute chart, here we have positive price action, positive inventory. Everything looks hunky-dory for the market. What can I say? I mean, that's exactly what we're supposed to see. Moving on, looking at the overnight action. Overnight action is about 30 points. And again, looking for resistance up high. We have that spike high, 65.23, which was the non-close all-time high. And then we have a Fibonacci that is up at 65.42. There seems to be a little bit of action around this previous, it's around the close area, 65.16, 65.17 area as potential resistance. Support, we've got support at 64.60, 64.50, basically on the 10, 64.30, 64.20, 64.10, 6400. I think we got to get below 6,400 to really see any kind of action to the downside. That's kind of the line in the sand. Maybe not. Get there. Who knows? That's the numbers for today. Stock Traders Almanac, 52.4% chance the market will be up today. A very slight 2.4% bias to the upside. Again, remember that Monday is a holiday. U.S. markets will be closed, so you will not have a morning brief. I will see you Tuesday next week. Have a great day, great weekend. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.